Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures. Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures.
Yeah. Welcome back to Timberwolf Treasures. I'm Dave. I'm doing my first video solo here, and I'm going to use these Rolio pigment powders. And I'm going to make some pendants using shark teeth. Just get these out of the way. Okay. I have a plan here. I don't know if it'll work, but I hope it does. Just going to mix some white pigment. This is, what color is this? Just a white pigment. And this is a blue pigment we got here. I can't read that without my glasses. I should have brought my glasses. Okay, let's get started. Pour some resin into the little cup here. Use this for a little scoop. And we'll give it a little mix here. I'll probably have to make some more. Consider I'm using making 3 of these. So, okay. Now we'll make the blue. Sorry, my arms in the way. I do like blue. It's one of my favorite colors. I hope that's enough. I'll get a little stirry here. Oops. Making a mess. That's okay. You can clean it up. Okay. Let's take our first little pendant here. Pour some blue in there. See, let's spread that up a bit there. And we'll get some more white. There we go. Oops. Now the fun part, trying to get this shark tooth into the pendant. Oh, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. Okay, let's try to pull this back here. I need a rag to clean this up. And still overflowing. I made too much. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's try not to make the same mess on the next one. Let's pour a little white in here first for this one. Keep them a little different. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make some more white. Okay, that's okay. Not a big deal. Pour some blue in here. Come on, blue. I think I put too much in again. I gotta work on that. Now when I put the tooth in, it's probably going to overflow. I dropped it. Okay. Well, didn't overflow too much. I'll set that one aside too. When I'm done, I'll put the UV light on all of them and cure them all at the same time. Let's make a little more white. Obviously, I don't need as much as I thought I did, but that's me. Okay. A little stirry in there. Let's make it a little bit more blue. That's enough. Keep making too much. Don't want to waste it all. Put that aside. Just mix this up. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I am myself. Okay, let's try this again without trying to make another big mess. Okay. Let's put a little blue on this side. Come on. Maybe I didn't make enough. Made too much, now didn't make too much. Okay, let's try this one. Kind of like half and half. Oh, that's not too bad so far. Now, to get this tooth in there, that's the problem. Trying to get a good grip on it that's okay. Now I'm just going to get the stuff out of the way. Toss the UV light on there. Oh, I gotta plug it in. 1 second, please. There we go. Okay, now we'll let those cure. And then we'll come back and I'll take them out and we'll show you. Thanks a lot.
Go.
Welcome back to Timberwolf Treasures. I'm Dave, and we're here for the reveal of the 3 pendants with the shark teeth in them. So I believe they're done. We'll turn that off. And we'll take a look at what we got here. That needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but not too bad. What do you guys think? I mean, your sons or husbands like sharks, or daughters, anyone who's into sharks, that's kind of, it still sticks up a bit because it got a bit of a 3D effect. And there's a little shark tooth. I can't remember what shark teeth came out of. Most of them are lemon, I believe, or I think there's a tiger one we have too. But yeah. Anyway, that's our reveal. That's the pendants. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Timberwolf.
We sure appreciate your time today. A warm thank you for watching what we made. With love from Timberwolf Treasures.